Hello everyone, my name is Karthik Osar and today we will discuss the first internal question paper of TOC with solutions. So our question is construct finite automata, push down automata and Turing machine to accept the set of language of all string over 01 ending with 010. So basically a finite automata is a five tuple that is q sigma del q0f where q represents the finite set of state is q and sigma represent the set of input alphabet, del represent the set of transition function, q0 represent the set of input state, f is the final state. So basically our language is L is the set of all string ending with 010. So any number of times 01 occurs end with 010. So the transition graph of finite automata is Q0 is the initial state and Q3 is final state. If any number of times 01 occurs, it go to the Q0 state. And 0 occur, go to the Q1 state. And if 1 occur at Q1 state, then go to the Q2 state. And if 0 occur at Q2 state, then go to the final state. So, so this is our Python code and it will show the finite automata machine that is working correctly or not. So when you run this code, it will show false, true, true, false. So our code is, so our string is 0 0. It means it will not end with 0 1 0, so it will return false. It will return true because our string is ending with 0 1 0, and this string is also working. And so our transition table is, so this is our transition table. That means if you are standing at q0 and 0 occur, then you will go to the q1 state, and if 1 occur, you will go to the q0 state, and so on. Thank you.